Welcome to my Cambridge CBSE English classes. Today we are going to discuss the extracts of the Lost Spring Part 2. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe it. You can listen to my explanations for the lessons of class 10th and 12th English. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you may get notified. Dear students, there will be two extracts in the board examination question paper, one from the poem and one from the prose chapters. Each of the extract will have four questions of 1 mark each. It will be mandatory for the students to attempt both of them. The questions will be based on remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, and creating. The explanation of each extract of the Lost Spring is bilingual, first in English and then in Hindi. They are divided into two parts. Extract third and its question. These lines have been said by Mukesh's grandmother. The grandmother told the narrator that it was his karma, his destiny. She watched her husband go blind with the dust from polishing the glass bangles. She further added, if a God given lineage can ever be broken. Born in the caste of the bangle makers, they had seen nothing but bangles in the house, in every other yard, every street of Firozabad. Coils of bangles. He, Here the narrator described the bangles of different colors. They lie in heaps in the disorderly kept yards. The bangle is piled on the handcarts and are pushed by the young man in the narrow streets of Firozabad. Now the explanation in Hindi. ये लाइनें मुकेश की दादी माँ ने कही हैं. मुकेश की माँ दादी माँ नरेटर को बताती है कि ये उसका कर्म 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 है, उसका भाग्य है. वो उसने अपने खुद के पति को बैंगल्स के ग्लास के बैंगल्स की पॉलिश की धूल से अंधे होते देखा था. वो आगे कहती है क्या भगवान के द्वारा दी गई लाइनेज कभी तोड़ी जा सकती है. वो बैंगल मेकर्स की कास्ट में पैदा होने के कारण उन्होंने कुछ नहीं देखा सिवाय बैंगल्स के. प्रत्येक घर में, प्रत्येक आंगन में और फिरोज़ाबाद की प्रत्येक गलियों में गुच्छे बैंगल्स के. हियर द नरेटर, यहाँ पर नरेटर जो है डिस्क्राइब करता है विभिन्न प्रकार के बैंगल्स की, चूड़ियों की. वो ये बैंगल्स गुच्छों में ढेर के रूप में अव्यवस्थित आंगनों में पड़े हुए हैं. बैंगल्स जो हैं उनका ढेर ठेले में लगा हुआ है, जिसको यंग मैन, युवा व्यक्ति धक्का देते हैं फिरोज़ाबाद की संकीर्ण सड़कों पर. Now the question, what compels the young man to continue the business of bangle making? What has killed all the initiatives of young man? What did the narrator ask the young man to do? Why were young men unable to follow the advice of narrator? The answers of all these questions are given at the end of the extract. First you may try by yourself and then check whether you can do them properly with proper expression or not, and then you can match your answers with the answers given at the end of the extracts. Fourth extract. Listening to them, the narrator sees two different worlds, one of the family which was caught in the web of poverty and burdened by the stigma of the caste in which they were born, the other, the vicious circle of sahukars, the middleman, the policeman, the keeper of the laws, the bureaucrats, the politicians. Together they have put the baggage on the child that he can never put down. Before he is conscious, he accepts it naturally as his father. To do anything else would mean to dare in Firozabad, and daring is not the part of growing up there. When the narrator sends a flash of it in Mukesh, she is cheered up, she is happy. उनकी उनकी बातों को सुनकर नरेटर को फिरोज़ाबाद में दो दो दुनिया दिखाई देती हैं। एक तो उस गरीब परिवार की जो गरीबी के जाल में फंस गया है और जिस पर बेंगल्स मेकर की जाति में पैदा होने का धब्बा लगा हुआ है। दूसरी तरफ वो विशियस सर्किल साहूकार का, मिडलमैन का, पॉलिटिशियन का, कानून के रखवालों का, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स का और पॉलिटिशियंस का, उन्होंने ऐसे एक ऐसा वजन बच्चे पे लाद दिया है जो वो कभी नीचे नहीं उतार सकता। इससे पहले कि वो समझ सके, वो उस बोझ को बिल्कुल प्राकृतिक रूप से वैसे ही स्वीकार कर लेता है जैसे उसके पिता ने किया था। कुछ फिरोज़ाबाद में कुछ अलग करने का अर्थ है साहस दिखाना, और साहस दिखाना जो है फिरोज़ाबाद में बड़े होने का भाग नहीं है। जब नरेटर एक ऐसा परिवर्तन मुकेश में देखता है तो वो खुश हो जाती है। Answers of the extract 3. The grandmother is talking about the karma or destiny of Mukesh. The grandmother thought that he was born in the caste of bangles and he could do nothing except making bangles. The people of her caste are poverty stricken, they are poor and face starvation. In the dark hutments next to the flickering light of the lamps, the young man and the girl weld pieces of colored grasses into the circle of bangles. Their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than to the light outside, so they become blind before growing youth. Answer of the fourth extract. Young men dared to organize themselves. They would be beaten, dragged, and put into jail for doing something illegal. Question answer second. The two distinct words refer one of the poverty-stricken bangle makers, the other of the sahukars, middlemen, policemen, keepers of the law, the bureaucrats, and the politicians. Third answer. The sahukar, middleman, policemen, the keepers of the law, the bureaucrats, and the politicians had together imposed a baggage of poverty and credit which child could never put down. He accepted it naturally as his father. Answer fourth. Author is cheered up to see that Mukesh is enthusiastic to become a motor mechanic, discarding his family profession of making bangles. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.